Hi there, hope you're all doing well. I am back with the next Zombicide Undead or Alive mini. This is Henry. He was black and white zenithal primed, and I get started with flat red for his shirt. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. Next up, I grabbed Gravestone Blue to get the base coat on the jeans. This is far brighter than I thought it was going to be, but once the wash goes on, it darkens down enough that it just looks okay. For all those straps and the boots, I give them a once over with dark stone. As with all my Zombicide minis, I give the base a once over with Plague Brown. With this colour out, I also added in some of the details such as the pick handle and the scarf around his neck. Moving on to the skin, I base it with Sunny's skin tone. He has white sleeves and a grey beard, so I'll give these a quick base coat with silver grey. Just to break up some of the pouches on his back, I grabbed army green for that bedroll. Getting started with the highlights, I used Trooper White to add some highlights onto the sleeves and his hair. The next highlight is Vermilion for all of those raised areas on the shirt. To bring up somebody brown, I added a small highlight using Griffin Claw. For the metallics, I went for plate armor. The only wash on this mini is archaic sepia wash over everything. I do make sure to come back in though and take some away from the sleeves just to keep them looking a bit more white and not stained so much. And that will be it for Henry, a very quick and easy one to paint this time around. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. As always, there'll be photos of this mini on my Instagram page. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.